Good afternoon, Southwest Ohio weather fans. Giving you a full update on the upcoming winter storm that is coming starting late tomorrow through Tuesday morning. As many of you know, we are under a winter storm watch, and I fully expect those to be upgraded to winter storm warnings within the next 24 hours. So, the big thing is the timing. I think most of the day tomorrow is good, maybe a few snow flurries or snow showers, but the more organized snowfall will begin well after dark into Monday morning with a quick 2 to 4, possibly 5 inches by mid morning Monday, early afternoon on Monday. The storm systems and the models are agreeing that this is going to be like a two-part storm system. So there will be a let up in the snowfall, possibly later Monday and Monday afternoon. And then we're going to get that like deformation band of snowfall later Monday into Tuesday overnight. Then that is when we'll get our heaviest snowfall rates during that time frame. And it looks like it'll wrap up early Tuesday morning between like 5 a.m. and 10 a.m., somewhere in that time frame. The timing is not precise right now, but that is a good estimate of the timing of this storm system. So here is some model data that I have used to come up with a forecast, which I'll do here at the end. This was all 12Z and one model from last night. But as you can see, the NAM's locking in on about 9 to 10 to 11 inches across the area. Last night's Euro went bonkers between 10 and about 14 inches for the area. The 12Z GFS between 8 and about 10 inches more to the east. And then the Canadian is coming in right about that 6 to 10 range again. The UK MAT, another model. Again, that model is 10-to-1 ratios. So again, it's a little more amped than some of the other models if you take in the snow liquid ratios. I would estimate that's a solid 8 to 12 inches if you're using ratios in the UK MAT. And then this is the latest European model, still indicating nearly a foot of snow. One thing I'm going to get to on the next slide is I'm going to address is some of the models are a little bit hinting at a little bit of a southeast trend, which would bring maybe more of the heavier snows east of 71. But for the time being, I make a note here, this is more of a conservative forecast, which again is subject to change based on the overnight data that we're going to get as we get into the morning hours. So these could be adjusted upward. But for the time being, Cincinnati metro area inside the 275 loop will get 6 to 10 inches. Suburban Cincinnati all the way up to Dayton I-70, 5 to 9 inches. Near Ohio, areas near the Ohio-Indiana state line may be at the lower end of that, just because of that trend I mentioned. It's not a major trend southeast. It's enough of a southeast trend, which the heavier band where that foot snowfall totals could be closer to 71, a little bit east of 71. There is some mixing issues that may occur across northern Kentucky, but they will still see a solid 4 to 8 inches of snow. So again, I am going conservative, but I am going to say someone in Southwest Ohio will get a foot of snow. What area will that be? My betting is east of 71. But this is going to be a major winter storm for our area. We don't get these kind of snowfall totals too often, yet let alone twice within a week. So just be prepared for just travel disruptions starting late Sunday, Monday through Tuesday morning and Tuesday afternoon as the cleanup happens on Tuesday. Most schools will be closed on Tuesday. I'll tell you that right now. So if you're a teacher, you probably will not have school on Tuesday. And so just be prepared, get the necessities to be home on Tuesday, because if you don't like to travel in snow, Monday to Tuesday, you won't want to go out. But should be able to go out and drive by Wednesday or so, because a lot of the main roads should be clear by then. So just be prepared. Don't panic. This is a heavy snowfall, but we're not going to have blizzard conditions or anything by those means. So with that said, I want to thank you for your support. I will be back with text updates tonight and throughout the day on Sunday. Just one last note, Storm 2 for late week is a hot mess on the models, and we cannot address that until this storm gets out of the way. So thank you. Have a wonderful and safe weekend, and you'll hear from me periodically throughout the weekend.